Samsung is all set to take the foldable phone market by storm with its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, expected to launch in July 2025. This year's lineup promises groundbreaking upgrades, raising the bar significantly higher compared to the incremental updates of last year. Fans and tech enthusiasts alike are eager to witness what Samsung has in store for its latest foldable creations. Galaxy Z Fold 7, a marvel of slim design. The spotlight shines brightly on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which could potentially earn the title of the world's thinnest foldable phone. According to leaks, the device may measure an astonishing 8.2 mm thin when folded, a remarkable feat that eclipses its competitors. For comparison, the current titleholder, the Oppo Find N5, measures 8.9 mm, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could surpass this milestone by a 0.7 mm reduction. To put this achievement in perspective, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6, launched last year, measures a considerably thicker 12.1 mm when folded. This means the Galaxy Z Fold 7's rumored design would represent a dramatic 30% reduction in thickness, making it far more compact and easier to carry. Such advancements highlight Samsung's commitment to setting new industry standards for foldable technology. The engineering behind the revolution. The rumored slim design of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 raises important questions about its engineering. While some early reports speculated a 9.5 mm thickness, achieving an 8.2 mm profile is an ambitious and revolutionary feat. Tech analysts are curious about how Samsung plans to deliver such a thin design without compromising the signature features and durability that the Z Fold series is known for. This could involve advanced materials and innovative engineering, placing the device a step ahead of the competition. What makes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 a game-changer? Beyond its slim profile, fans are hoping the Galaxy Z Fold 7 packs other improvements that enhance its functionality and appeal. With foldables still commanding premium price tags, innovations like these could help Samsung strengthen the value proposition of its flagship series. Additionally, a thinner design improves not just portability but also the overall user experience, making the phone more comfortable to handle during everyday use. The anticipation surrounding the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is palpable, as such breakthroughs could reignite consumer interest in Samsung's foldable lineup. After all, foldable phones represent the future of mobile technology, and Samsung is at the forefront of this trend. Galaxy Z Flip 7, enhancing the compact experience. While much of the focus has been on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is also expected to feature notable improvements. Known for its stylish and compact design, the Z Flip 7 is likely to appeal to a different segment of users who prioritize portability and aesthetics without compromising on performance. Though specific details remain under wraps, Samsung fans are hoping for upgraded cameras, better durability, and enhanced performance across the board.